Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get explosive powder in Astroneer. This is an essential tool for extracting exo chips from exo caches. So first of all, to begin, we'll need to find a source of organics, and organics can be found on every planet on the surface or can be extracted from plantable plants, plantable flora, and using the tapper you just place it on top, toggle it, and it is going to give you some organics. Nextly, the organic needs to be smelted inside of a smelting furnace to get carbon. And also we'll need to have a chemistry lab. Also you'll need a atmospheric condenser, where we'll need to extract sulfur from planets which include sulfur. There are two planets that contain sulfur in them, and one of them is Caldor, and the second one is Atrox. So make sure you've got a medium shuttle with some slots in it, and travel with a packaged atmospheric condenser and some kind of a power source to these planets, one of these planets, and then collect some sulfur. Bring back the sulfur to your main base, to the chemistry lab, and here go to this position right here, where you'll find a recipe for explosive powder. You'll need 2 carbon, which I've already shown how to make, and you'll need the sulfur. Once you gathered it, just press this green button and it is going to make you some explosive powder. This can be then processed inside of your inventory to make something like a dynamite, which is essential for exploding exo caches. So this is pretty much all how to get explosive powder in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.